Hello everyone, this tutorial is going to be about how to import your Canva websites into Shopify. For that you need our app, Canvify, that you can get from Shopify App Store. After you've installed it, you have to go to Canva and design your website landing page that we have here. This is one of the templates from Canvify. You can use tons of Canva templates that are available in Canvify. So this is one of the examples. So now I want to publish it as website. For that, I can see the option here for publish website. If you don't find it here, you can go to share button. You can find this option here. And if not here, you can go to the more and you will find the option here. And then you can click on website and publish the design that you have as your website. Now our website is published. You can see that it has generated a link. Let's just copy that. Now that we've copied the link here, we have to go to the admin panel in our Shopify store. Go to your admin panel. If you've installed Canvify already, you can see it under the app section. Go to Canvify, click on import new page, and now we can paste our website link here. Give it a title, for example, agency landing page, and we can hide Shopify header and footer. I will just tell you what that is in a while. Let's just click import. Now that our page is finished processing, we can view it from here. Now I'll tell you, so see, you can see the header here, and if you scroll down the page, you can also see the footer. So when you go back to importing the page, this is what these two options mean. You can hide the Shopify header or the footer. If you want to design your own header inside the design, if you see in this design, I did not have any header, it was just a plain website, and I went with the header that the Shopify provides me. And if you want to hide it, add your own header, you can do that as well. And this is what this is for. Now, how do we integrate it into our website? For that, you need to follow the last step of the process. You have to go to your online store. In this theme section, click the customize button to edit your theme. Now here we have our Canvify website with all the pages and products. What I need to do is I have to go to a specific page. For example, if I want to add it into the home page or another page, I will have to select that first. I could change the page from here. Any page that I want to add that design to, I can select from here. Let's just do it for the home page for now. Let's just scroll down. I want that to appear right here. So exactly here, we will add a section and then scroll down, click the page button. We will add a section of a page. And now this is an empty section. What you need to do is go to this option, select page. Now we will see the agency landing page that we have imported from Canvify. We will select that and it will import that into your Shopify theme. And now when you hit save, it will publish that web design to your live Canvify store. And that is how you import a Canva design to your Shopify store using Canvify.